Take a look at this. Infuriating. Ripple CEO breaks silence about SEC's appeal. In a statement that he released on Thursday, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse explained that his business would continue to battle in court as long as it needs in response to the appeal that was filed by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The chief executive officer of Ripple, who is 53 years old, referred to the appeal as infuriating and misguided. It has been brought to Garlinghouse's attention that the Securities and Exchange Commission has been acting without redress or punishment for them. And he has also stated that they are not a reasonable economic player. This certainly gives the impression that there is more going on behind the scenes than what is immediately evident. It is inevitable that the truth, as well as the corruption, will finally be brought to light. He stated it should be brought to your attention that Ripple is said to have spent more than $200 million on its legal bills when it was fighting the SEC. On Wednesday, the Securities and Exchange Commission submitted a notice of appeal, which dealt a big blow to the price of XRP as reported by you today. The Securities and Exchange Commission has not disclosed the specific matter that it intends to appeal. Thus, it is possible that they may pursue the verdict that was issued in July 2023 and differentiated between programmatic sales and institutional sales. The ultimate ruling handed down by the court in August might possibly be appealed by them. The penalties that Ripple was sentenced to pay totaled $125 billion were ordered to be paid. Despite the fact that this amount is substantial, it is still a significantly smaller sum of money when compared to the initial demand of $2 billion made by the SEC. As a result of this, Garlinghouse maintains that the legal position of XRP is already the standard in the country, and he is certain that the appeal filed by the SEC will not result in a change to this status. Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderoty, referred to the SEC's appeal as dissatisfying, and he said that the business is currently determining whether or not it should submit a cross-appeal on the matter. Moreover, Alderoty noted that the removal of Gerber Gruhl, the enforcement director of the Securities and Exchange Commission, occurred at the same time as SEC's appeal. An authority on the law named Fred Rispoli has claimed that he does not anticipate a decision from the Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit until the beginning of the year 2026. A number of riskier assets, XRP included, were hit hard by geopolitical concerns. The news that Iran had attacked Israel with missiles prompted a flight to safety. Worries over a possible escalation in the Middle East war were heightened by rumors that the United States was in contact with Israel regarding a potential reaction. Experts utilize Etsy markets to wager on aggressive Fed rate reduction, trade accounts, and track economic indicators in the U.S. U.S. labor market statistics lowered hopes for a 50 basis point hike. Amidst falling demand for XRP due to the November Fed rate cut, the number of job listings on the website surged from 7 million in July to 840,000 in August, supporting the idea that the U.S. economy will have a soft landing. Higher borrowing costs, brought about by a less dovish Fed rate path, might affect XRP transactions in the cryptocurrency market overall. In order to offer financial services absent a principal, Ripple obtained a license. Regardless, Ripple revealed on Tuesday that the total cryptocurrency market declined more precipitously than XRP. We are pleased to report that the Dubai Financial Services Authority has granted us permission in concept for a financial services license. Our ability to offer comprehensive managed payment solutions in the UAE will be enhanced by this. According to the press release, this outstanding accomplishment does double duty. It allows Ripple to expand its worldwide presence as a regulated firm and makes it possible to launch frictionless cross-border payment services like Ripple Payments straight in the United Arab Emirates. The DFC and other lawmakers in the country work together to build a comprehensive regulatory framework, which has created an environment that is favorable to the growth of innovative cryptocurrency companies. Ripple has highlighted the potential benefits of this system. A clear understanding of regulations is something that both businesses and consumers want, according to a statement released by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse in reaction to the news. People in the UAE know that. The XRP Spot ETF application has been approved. In addition to positive developments in the Middle East, Ripple has received positive news about XRP from the US. Fox Business reporter Eleanor Tourette broke the news that Bitwise Invest has applied for an SF exchange-traded fund in Delaware. According to Torette's comment, the filing that I shared has been validated as being authentic, according to Bitwise Invest Chief Investment Officer Matt Hogan. The possibility of XRP's demand increasing in an exchange-traded fund market could lend credence to its ascent toward $1. The approval of an XRP spot exchange traded fund in November 2023 may be affected by the CCI's attempts to appeal orders from the SEC versus Ripple case. After hearing that BlackRock has applied for an XRP spot exchange traded fund, the value of XRP jumped from $64 to $75. However, XRP dropped back below 60 cents due to the file's falsity. As the last day for appealing the judgment on programmatic sales of XRP draws near, investors are patiently waiting for the SEC to make a decision on the matter. The possibility that the SEC will file an appeal has been the subject of more speculation recently. Programmatic XRP sales do not meet the criteria of the third prong of the Howey test as determined by Judge Annalisa Torres in July 2023. It was revealed by a former SEC attorney that the agency is unhappy with Judge Torres' ruling from July 2023 on the XRP programmatic sales in the Ripple case. The former attorney claims that the SEC will likely appeal the ruling. Because of the potential impact on XRP price patterns, investors should keep a close eye on news regarding appeals. Is XRP going to be able to hit Evan cents while the SEC keeps threatening to appeal? The fact that XRP is currently trading above the 50-day and 200-day exponential moving averages confirms positive pricing patterns despite Tuesday's decline below 60 cents. Assuming prices can break through 65 cents, bulls may be able to target the 6 cents resistance level and the September 29th high of 66 cents. If 66 cents is back, it could mean we're heading back toward the 70 cents mark. Important considerations include news on geopolitical ripples, SEC actions, and updates connected to the SEC's cryptocurrencies case. Under the 57 cent support level, bears may attempt to break through the 50-day exponential moving average. In the event that the price drops 60 cents and breaks below the 57 cent support level, the 200-day exponential moving average may come into play. The 14-day relative strength index indicates that XRP might break out of the overbought area near 66 cents. Among the world's leading asset managers, Grayscale brought back its XRP trust a month ago. An exchange-traded fund, EPEC, dealing in XRP could be launched as a result. According to some analysts, Bitwise CEO Matt Hogan, however, claims that the alluring exchange-traded fund would be quite reticent to give its blessing. And if the futures market wasn't controlled, well, Hogan said 3 months ago in an interview for the Thinking Go Crypto podcast that no commodity exchange traded account has ever been unrelated to a futures market. The latest Bitwise announcement has caused XRP's price to rise by almost 1.6%. This material is not meant to be used as trading advice. As is customary, you should not put your money into anything that relies on the data presented here. We highly recommend that you do your own research and talk to an expert before making any investing decision.